What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a Dollar Tree haul. You guys have seen the video with me when I was just showing you guys the nail polish out at Dollar Tree. I picked up a few items, so I'm going to share them with you guys. First thing I'm going to start with is these. Now, I didn't show you guys these in the video, but they do have them. It's new by Bolero. Y'all know I love the Bolero facial products. These are blemish stickers. They help to detox and minimize the appearance of skin imperfections. It says for all skin types, and these are in the heart. They had heart, stars, and another one. I can't remember which one, but they're clear. So if you pop them on, no one can really notice. And if they do, they're in a cute little heart. So I love these. I picked up one pack. You get 36 patches in them. 36. So that's really good for $1, because I've seen these for like 10-15 bucks on TikTok. So I got that. And then today I went to a different Dollar Tree. I didn't record there because they had basically the same stuff in their nail aisle, but came across this Spa Scriptions Radiance Boosting Glacier Water plus hyaluronic acid facial mist and hydrate. And the bottle is big. It's not a little teeny mini size. It's 6 ounces. And this looked like it was going to be pretty good. It's cruelty free. So I'll be giving this a try soon. Add that to my skincare routine. Something else that I was excited to find that I seen on someone I'm following on TikTok. She had also found these Body and Earth shampoo bars, and she really likes them. It says volumizing formula with seaweed extract and sea salt in ocean wave scent. It lasts up to 50 washes, and it comes in this little travel tin, which is great. So you could take it with you if you want to. It says lather between wet hands or directly onto hair, and then you just, massage it into the hair, rinse and clean. So you can go like this, put it in your hands, and then just put the shampoo throughout your hair, or you can directly rub the bar into your hair as well. So I can't really smell it through here. Let's open it up. Okay, so this is the size, and it looks like it has little like sprinkles in it or something. See how it smells. Oh my goodness, that smells good. Yeah, it smells good. And then this is the tin, so it goes in there. Oh, that's cute. Little tin, twist it close, and the tin says Body and Earth on it. That's so cute. Okay. Ooh, next, y'all don't care about that. I got a little Sharpie pen. I found another Spa Scriptions. It says Superfoods on it, and it's an energizing clay mask stick. I'm so excited about this one. I can't wait to try it. It has cherry, vitamin C, and grapefruit. Here, I'm gonna open it. So this is what the stick looks like out the box. That's the color. It's a pretty lavender color. Well, this is the bottom. You guys can see the mask inside of there. And let's see. So it has a little lid on it, and I guess you just twist it and it comes up. I don't want to do it because I don't want to put it on yet. But when I do use this, I will either do a video of me using it or update y'all on how well it worked. But I thought this was a really good find for it to be a superfood clay mask. Okay, next, do I have anything else? I did find this today. They had Suave body wash, y'all. They had Charge and, gosh, I can't remember the name of the other one, but it was like a charcoal one. So I got the Charge body wash one to see how well, this is, I can't really smell it, but it's a full size. If you guys are interested in seeing the different body washes, shampoos, and conditioners they have there, let me know. The next time I go, I will show you guys, because they do have a lot of good body wash brands, even body washes by Bolero that are really good. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up or comment below you'd like to see it, and the next time I go, I'll do a video. Really, that's basically it. I just got like a few little random extra things. I had got these I think it's called Roll High 75% ethanol wet wipes. You can use them in the home, office, vehicle, and travel. And it has 100 in the pack, and they're just wipes for you to clean and wipe down things. So I was going to keep these in my car. They have these cute little socks. Back in the day, I don't know how old most of y'all is, but if any of y'all remember bum equipment, these are the socks that they had there. I used to have bum equipment pajamas, and these are in the men's, but I thought these would be perfect for me for the gym, because they're very like almost like a no-show sock. And I have a pair on right now. They came in a pack of 2, this gray color and black. And what I like is this part. It's like a mesh. Says cushioned sole, yeah, breathability. So I thought this would be great for when I go to the gym. I didn't notice this part until I put my socks on to go to the gym. Let me show you guys the ones that I have on. So if you guys can see, it says the bum across the top here, which I like, and then you can see the little ventilation breathable part right here, and you can see where they kind of sort of see where they come to on my feet. So they are very low, and that's what I like in my tennis shoes when I'm going to the gym. They are really comfortable. They're really, really, really soft. And last but not least, I got a nail polish. Now I did have 2. If you guys watched my video, you've seen I picked this one up, and I had picked up a like a denim blue, something similar to this color right here. And I did get it, and I don't think that she put it in the bag. You know, sometimes when you put your stuff on that little rolly thing, and when they take the stuff and sit it to the side, it'll roll. So I'm gonna have to go back up there, because I did love that color. But this one I thought was a good like Halloween color, and you can see it's blurry, but y'all see that holographic sparkle going on in it. It looks like it may be thin like a jelly, but I'll do a whole nother video of that, of me using it or swatching it or something, if you guys are interested in the way the formula looks on that. And yeah, y'all, that's about it. I did get a few other things like some school supplies and stuff like that, but basically that was my small little haul that I wanted to share with you guys, and all the stuff I can't wait to try. So I will definitely give you guys updates on all of the things and let you guys know about the blemish stickers. I'm definitely going to try this out, and this I'm probably going to use tonight, and I may do like a shorts video or something like that. Just make sure that you guys have on your notifications so you guys will know when I upload my next video.